For this tutorial, we'll be using the dice kit PCBs supplied by BLUEsat UNSW, as presented here. Before soldering, always make sure to put on your safety glasses and to turn on all of your equipment. For these particular soldering irons, remember to make sure that the key, or this guy here, is inserted into the main iron unit, and wait for your equipment to heat up. When soldering, always start with the chips or integrated circuits that you will have on your board. In this particular case, there are 2 integrated circuits here, which we'll start with, and I would recommend starting with the big one here. Once we grab the chip, make sure to squeeze the legs inwards a little bit, because the legs always start out frayed a bit more than what you need to, and keep doing that until you are confident that you can place the chip onto your board. Always make sure that the little notch you see at the top here aligns with the notch that is printed on the circuit board, and then just place it in. If it doesn't go in the first time, make sure to squeeze the legs a little bit more, and rinse and repeat until you're able to place the chip on. And just like that, the chip has been placed on. Now turn the chip upside down, and we will now grab our iron, which has been heated up. Make sure to heat the iron up to about 300 degrees, and then grab your solder like that. Place the solder onto one of the pins that you want to solder. I typically prefer starting in the corner. Use your thumb to push the board down so it doesn't move as you're doing, and then place the iron next to the solder and allow it to melt like that. And that is one leg already soldered on. Before we move on, it is always good to have a quick visual inspection of the board to make sure everything is soldered properly, and it looks like that is the case. Flip the board back over, and once again check that the notch at the top of your chip aligns with the notch that has been printed on your circuit board, and this will let us know that our chip is aligned properly. And as all those checks have now been done, we have now successfully soldered one chip correctly, and we can now